Hey there guys, welcome to Mexico. We are in San Andres. Ay, in San Andres, Tuxtla. Hey there guys, welcome to Mexico. We are in San Andres, Tuxtla. I found a cigar factory and it says visitors welcome. So I'm going to take I almost killed myself. I'm going to take a look how they do it. This is the cigar factory. Look at this, how they roll them. Hola. Están haciendo los puros. They are making hand-rolled cigars. Look at that. See there? Check them out. Did they take the leaf of tobacco? And they spread it out like that. They cut it to shape. Wow. Oh, así uno empieza y se va más y más grande como está corriendo la línea.
Sí, esto aquí, estos moldes lo mete ahí.
Oh, yeah.
Después ya le está pasando la capa de aquí, ella le va a poner su perilla.
Oh, sí.
Ya al terminado.
Sí. So this is the production line. It runs along here, and everybody.
No, ya no están haciendo, ya están de salida, ¿eh?
Huh?
Ya están de salida para que vean cómo. Aquí ya está, mira, terminado, mira.
Yeah. See, there they're finished. See, they got the end and everything on it. That's what these guys are doing here. Check it out.
Corten eso. Mira, aquí lo cortan, ¿eh? Este es su tamaño, ¿eh?
Oh, and there they cut it to size. Wow.
¿Sí?
Cool.
Este es su tamaño. ¿Sí?
Yes, él pone la puntita.
Él pone aquí.
He puts
Este
little
es
point on the
perillado.
end. Yeah.
Perillado.
Perillato.
Sí, un perillado, ¿eh?
That is so neat. ¿Y estos qué hacen?
Eso también está haciendo lo mismo, mamá, ya terminaron, están levantando.
Oh, yeah. Here they're picking up already.
Ahorita
Ya están limpiando. So here they're cleaning up. And he's going to take me to see where some more stuff is being done. Oh yeah, here you can see how they cut it.
Ahí lo tienen.
Yeah, they roll it, cut off the edges.
Esto ahí está haciendo los dulces. Después lo meten en estos moldes. Porque ellos trabajan en pareja, ya le inicia y la muchacha ya da terminado.
Yeah.
¿Sí? Y entonces aquí lo prensan.
Oh yeah.
Aquí está prensado.
So after they have the cigar, they put it in here and they press it to get the shape. With these molds, these are the molds right here, and that gets the shape.
Ya está dando terminado.
And over here she's finishing them off. Oh, she's making the caps. Yeah. She is making the caps of the cigars. Cuts them out of a leaf. Let me show you how that's done. Takes a little piece of leaf like that. Stretches it out. Cuts off the edges. Then she'll take the other cigar that the others rolled. And this is the finishing touch right here. That's the finishing touch. Cut off the end. They put a little whatever kind of glue it is. And then they cut a round piece. And that they glue onto the end of the cigar. Wow, qué bonito. Yeah, that is very pretty.
Es que ya vino tarde.
Yeah.
Sí, es que aquí paran las 4:30.
Oh, at
¿sí?
4:30 they finish work and it's kind of late.
Tenemos de
already.
8 a 4:30. ¿Sí?
Yeah.
Por eso.
That is really, really cool. Oh, ya lo están pensando.
Sí, ya, ya.
Yeah. See, here they have the molds, and the one in here has the cigars in it, and they press it down, and that makes it nice and round and pretty. And it smells so good in here. Oh, aquí está mero el principio, donde empieza. This is where it begins, look. It's where it begins.
Lo meten aquí, mira.
Uh-huh.
Lo van metiendo ahí.
They put them into the mold. Look at that.
Y lo van metiendo todo.
Yeah. And then they get pressed. Pressed into shape. Keeps them all nice and tight. Y todo el tabaco es aquí de Veracruz?
De aquí de la región de ¿sí?
All the
San Andrés,
yeah.
de Veracruz.
All the tobacco is grown here in Veracruz. Look at this, guys. He's putting the cigar right together. Yeah.
Se va a la prensa.
Y se va a la prensa, yeah.
Sí, está bien. ¿Sí?
Wow. Qué bonito. Look at that, guys. And they work fast. ¿Cuánto puro hace al día?
A veces me hago, estoy asociado, a veces me hago 650 o
650.
Sí.
650 cigars he rolls a day. Look at that. He puts a leaf there. He puts a leaf. Then he puts the raw tobacco inside. They crush it up a little bit, rip it up a little bit. Put in different parts, different flavors, I guess. Then they stick it in that machine. And then they just push it. And that rolls it. Cut off the ends. That is so cool. 650 of these a day. Oh, that smells so good. That smells so good. Son diferentes tipos de tabaco, ¿no?
Es el mismo, más que es sobre fortaleza de puro que se hace aquí.
Ah, sí.
Si lo quieres fuerte, pues fuerte. Porque
Ya.
es un poco suave.
Ajá.
Para ligarlo que no salga ni fuerte ni suave, normal. ¿Sí?
So he says what it is. It's a lighter tobacco with a stronger tobacco, and they mix them together so it's not too strong. Wow. Very, very interesting. I love it.
Vale, todo para servir.
Yeah. Bueno, muchas gracias.
Igualmente sale.
Estoy feliz verlo. Voy a dar una tarjeta de mi canal de YouTube. Así cuando sale lo pueden ver.
Ah,
Sí. Así lo pueden ver en mi canal.
sale, sí, sale, sí.
All right, guys. So this is from the cigar factory here in San Andres Tuxtla, here in the state of Veracruz. I hope you enjoyed it. Great cigars are made here. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Qué bonito.